bit about our One Direction knowledge.
Naomi, who is your favorite One Direction band member?
Zayn.
Sarah, who's your favorite One Direction band member?
Louis.
Naomi, what do you like the most about Zayn?
He's caring in his personality.
Sarah, what do you like the most about Louis?
Everything.
Everything, everything? Naomi, what made you fall in love with Zayn?
Mostly everything.
Sarah, what made you fall in love with Louis?
I don't know. He's caring in his personality.
Naomi, what is your favorite music video?
I have to say Little Things.
Sarah, what's your favorite music video?
Best song ever.
Naomi, what is the first One Direction song that you ever heard?
I don't know.
You don't remember? I think it was Teenage Dirtbag.
Oh yeah, that's right, it was.
What was your first One Direction song you ever heard?
Rock Me, which is playing right now.
Naomi, what was your favorite part in the One Direction movie?
The one when Harry's like, I don't know.
Think of something.
I want to say mine.
The one when they go to Japan? Or the part
I want to say mine.
when
Mine's the
Harry's
boat
pants
part.
get pulled down?
Actually, yeah, when Harry's pants get pulled down. That's right.
Okay, what's your favorite part, Sarah?
My ass is on the line.
Say it louder.
No!
Okay, Sarah, what would you do if you and Louis ever met?
Me?
Yep.
If I saw him in a store, I'd be like, yay, go to a concert in Quesnel and give me front seats. I'll be watching.
Naomi, what would you do if you ever met Zayn?
Probably get his number and make sure like he'd come, I guess, to Prince George so he could go to the concert.
Sarah, when is Louis' birthday?
December 24th, 1991.
You sure about that?
Maybe?
You're right. Naomi, when is Zayn's birthday?
January 12th, 1993.
You sure?
Yep.
You think you're right?
Yep.
Because you are.
No, you're wrong. You're so wrong.
Both of you together, can you name all 6 of Louis' siblings? You don't have to name all 6 each. You can just name 1 or 2.
Can I just name one? Because this is going online. Charlotte, Felicity, Phoebe, Daisy, Ernest, and Doris.
Okay. Can you name some, Sarah?
Daisy?
That's the only one you know?
I don't know. Doris, Ernest, Felicity, Charlotte, Phoebe. Stop saying them! Oh, I said one.
And that is all 6 of their names. Do you guys want to say bye?
Bye! Bye.